Maayong udto sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, ako si Alexi Fernandez, taga Davao City. Currently, we are taking our lunch together. Nag-celebrate ang Emmanuel Baptist IBC Church sa 72 years. God's goodness, God's blessings. These are the people. Soft drinks ni mo, Koy. May soft drinks ka? Enjoy. Enjoy ka na. Dagang kayong tao. Kaya tibing, asan table mo?
Ito kang
Ikaw, dito kasi mauna kayo.